This is a really, really dirty log. Hey, welcome to Bigelow Woodcraft. This is the continuation of the Not Winter Summer series that you're seeing now. It's not even summer yet. However, when you're seeing this, it might be a different time of year. All right, what do we have on this? We have a white oak, and what am I looking to do to this? Oh boy. Nine. 11 foot 2 inch. All right, so what I'm looking to do with this log is I'm either going to turn it into 4x4s or a 6x6, just depending on the size of the cant I can get. It's 10.5, 9. So a 9, technically, I can only get a 6-inch cant, but if I leave some waning on it, I might be able to get if I get a 7 1/8, I'll make 4 3.5 4x4s out of it. Otherwise, I'll make a 6x6 out of it because I have a friend who needs 2 of them for a balcony project. And I think he said they only needed to be 10 foot long, so this would work. All right. I cut one earlier this morning. I was off camera for that for you guys. So we will just get started. Mill's warmed up. This is going to be the last log on this blade. It's done. Well, I haven't broke it yet. We changed it up on the fly today because my customer needed some 6x6s and I've been putting them off. I was going to make 4x4s and both of those logs are kind of janky, so they worked out great for this. So we got our 2 6x6s. He's using these for a balcony. I think I mentioned it. So we're done with this job today. I'll get the mill cleaned up. It's Thursday, like May 9th. And this will come out probably beginning of June. I'm not sure. But the mill's a mess. Blade's dull. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.